Chef Mark here with my new Vevor Gyro machine, or a vertical rotisserie grill, and the question is, how big of a Gyro cone can you practically put in this machine? Well, let's take a look here. Although the machine is 19.5 inches tall and the opening is 14 inches tall, it really does look like it's designed around a 10-inch tall cone. And as far as width, I'm just taking a look here. 10 inches would be the maximum diameter, but 8 inches, that's very close to the burner. So about an 8-inch cone. So 10-inch by 8-inch cone is about the right size. Now, before I jumped on, I looked online, and a 10-pound Gyro cone will fit comfortably in here. A 20-pound cone, no chance. Those are 15 inches tall and about 10 inches in diameter, so will not fit. So if you're getting a Vevor machine and you're looking to do a pre-bought Gyro cone, which is what I'm gonna do, 10 pounds seems to be the limit. This is Chef Mark. Thanks for tuning in.